Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda CA77 Dream 300 from 1965 in really good condition. A nice opposite coloured seat, ZV plate, white walls, good tyres, and it's starting first kick. Really beautiful bike. Nice black colour. We'll start at the front on the visual side. There's the front tyre, which is perfect, lots of thread left in that. Front mudguard is good, some little signs of this kind of paint here, and same on the front fork area. But apart from that, open the front headlamp, really clean. No signs of rust at all on this bike. It must have been kept inside its whole life. Front chrome on the wheels is really good condition, as you can see. It's a front drum, as you expect from a 1965 bike. Exhausts then are what I would call mint condition. Right hand side of the engine is also really good condition. Right hand side of the tank, the chrome and the black paint in really good condition, no marks to make note of here. Over the top then, fuel cap and oil, all really good condition. Same with the chrome on the left hand side. Seat is in really nice condition, really well done seat as well, with this chrome pinning surrounding the seat itself, and all really good. Little scuff here on the top, but no rips or tears. Right hand side panel is original metal, really nice condition. Swing arm, or chain I should say, and chain guard all present, and same with the exhaust here. Rear tyre then as well, really good condition. Same with that rear wheel with no signs of rust too. Rear mudguard then, all in really good condition, no marks to make note of here. Just remember, this is a 1965 bike, really nice condition bike. Left hand side then, rear shocks all good, exhaust here, and drum brake on the rear of course. You have a side stand and a main stand, and your gears on the left hand side here. Left hand side cover again is original. Engine block, not much really to say about the bike. It's really good condition. 305cc engine with the CA77 MCML XV at the front for the chassis and year of this bike. So that's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Okay, so we're now on to the CA77 Honda Dream 300. 1965, remember? So here on the left hand side is choke, open and close, and on the right hand side is your petrol, so stop, reserve and on. So you want to have it on reserve or on, turn the bike on. Also with the key, it has 5 stops in it, so 1 and 2 is now on to ignition. So you get on the bike, get your kickstart out, and we will give it that was a crap kick, and maybe turn on the choke here. Here we go. There we go. Perfect. Remember, she is a 1965 bike, so she's not a fuel injected really superior fuel injected kind of 2020 bike, and I'm sure any of you who are watching will know that as well. Here's a nice front screen here as well, which is running through the gears very nicely. And we're going to put it on the left indicator. And away we go. Now, horn is working. Turn off my indicators. Get around the corner. You've had 2 new tyres, what looks like, on the front and rear. Hopefully this cat doesn't want to commit suicide. But running really well. See if I can turn off that choke. Oh, hold on, it's turned back on. There we go. Much better. I think that might be the other way around actually, because it doesn't sound like it's on choke. I think the other way is choke on. It doesn't want to take any choke. But she's motoring away very nicely, as you can see here. For a 1965 bike, I mean, to be able to kick it once or twice and it start up and run, and you know, and ride as nice as she does here. I mean, you do have to remember they are 1965 brakes as well, which are a bit dodge. In fairness, they're not the strongest things in the world. They definitely take a bit. You always go, oh no, when you have drums again. Oh, let me turn in here. And let's put the bike up and see. There we go. And we're neutral. Let me see if I can put it on the side stand. Yeah, that doesn't sound like it has choke on, so I think that's the other way around. But first of all, yeah, the front left indicators are working and the rear left, as you can see. Front right and the rear right. The brake light is working there too. It mightn't have been that obvious. They are 6-volt batteries, as you can see. There's the brake light. Front, okay, 3, 2, 1, front brake, rear brake. There we are. And horn, as we did as well, working too. And we have, we can, I think you have to turn on again this way. There's the light, and there's the main light. Whoops, I turned it on one too many. So I think it's this one here is the ignition. And let me just kick start it again. Right, that's it. So she's ticking over really nicely. Let me turn off the indicator there. And there she is. I mean, how lovely is that? Ticking over, running, stopping, starting, all electrics working. I mean, what else can you want from a bike from 1965? A very rare bike as well, and a bike that's in really, really nice condition too. We get a picture for the thumbnail and we'll set off on our ways again. So if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also subscribe to us, would be greatly appreciated. If you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram. What else as well? We have our website, official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com, and all of those will be linked in the description. If you do want to have a look, just go down there and you can contact us straight away. As well as the done deal listing. Just remember as well, if you click on that done deal listing and you can't see the bike for sale, it means the bike is sold. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching.